Hello and welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery and I'm so glad you're here today. We are starting a new mini-series called Tips and Tricks Secret Session. You won't know what the tip or trick is unless you watch the video. All the thumbnails will look the same. There will be no clues in the description box. You'll have to watch to find out. So you ready for the first tip or trick? Keep watching. Today's tip is called the fake slip stitch. So you've come to the end and you need to tie off and you've pulled your yarn out, but now you need to know where to put this tail, how to make it flow with the rest of the project. This is the stitch you just came out of. This is the next stitch. And then this is the stitch after that. Skip this one. Go under these two loops. Don't pull super tight, just tight enough like that. Where your yarn originally came out of is right here. You want to go back through that and down through this right here. Are you seeing where I'm going? So you just made this. You want to pull it just tight, but don't warp your circle. You're going to go in here like this. You're going to pull really gently like that. Now look, everything looks like a stitch. See? So then you're just going to weave your tail in. Again, be gentle, you don't want to destroy the front. And you can't even see where it was. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked that tip, let me know down below. Had you ever heard of it before? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video or tip. Maybe consider subscribing and be part of the Yarn Zebra family. We have fun over here. Have a great day. Remember, life happens, yarn helps. And Spoonies, you can stitch it up too. Goodbye.